What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Look, check it out. Today's video, man, we're gonna be looking deeper into what happened with my manifold. You know what I'm saying? Last video, we already knew what happened, but I'm gonna take the fucking manifold off and take a closer look. We know the wheels broke. The shit just fell off. My wastegate just fell off. Crazy, right? So look, yesterday, I went to the homie's house. We got a new manifold. You know what I'm saying? So look, this is where the manifold that's currently on my car, this is where the wastegate pipe, or the pipe going to the wastegate sits right here. This part broke off. So right now, I'm gonna get this wastegate off, the whole manifold off, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like once I get the manifold off. All right. Alright guys, got the exhaust off. I mean, you already seen what happened. Look at this shit. Shit crazy. You can see where it broke. This is how it's supposed to look. You know what I'm saying? You can tell the age, man. The color is different. So yeah. So this video gonna have to be postponed, no cap, because I want to get new exhaust gaskets. You know what I'm saying? So I went up to AutoZone and I have to order them. So it's gonna be here in a couple days. So we'll see you guys. A couple days for me, 10 seconds for you. All right guys, we're back. Got the exhaust gaskets right here. Excuse my voice, man. So we're back. Exhaust gasket and new spark plug wires. Let's get this manifold back on. Alright guys, so we got the new manifold on. Everything's bolted, downpipe is on. Turbo's bolted up, you know what I'm saying? I put on the new spark plug wires. So that's it. We're good. I'll see y'all upstairs. Alright guys, man, I appreciate you guys for tuning in this video, man. I ain't gonna lie, this video took like 3-4 days to make, because I was waiting on parts and, you know, shit like that. But we got the car back together. I started it off camera and let it run and shit like that. I didn't take it for a ride yet because you know how that shit goes. It's raining outside and this weather's all fucked up right now. But in the next video, we're gonna do another POV and do a test drive, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I said before, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.